For thousands of years, the fruits from the soapbox plant have been eaten and have been dried and ground for use as a powders for hair care. Its scientific name is Acacia Concinna, and it is an evergreen tree that can grow to 10 meters tall. Hello everyone, I'm Lae Lae. Today I would like to explain my technique for germination. I bought the seeds from online 4 or 5 times to grow. Firstly, I tried my usual method of using damp tissues and then on second attempt directly into the soil. However, neither of these attempts worked. But here is my secret tip. This method produced fantastic results. I put the seeds into a cup and pour boiling water onto them. I wait until the water cools down, and then I planted them directly into multi-purpose compost. Don't worry about pouring boiling water onto the seeds, they will not be harmed. Here are the results. After 7 days, we can see the sprouts starting to appear. After 9 days, they look like this. Here, these are 14-day-old plants. The seeds, leaves, and flowers can be used as a substitute for tamarind and added to soup to make them hot and sour. They can be curried with salted fish and coconut milk. The flower can be cooked and eaten as a vegetable, and the mature part can be dried, then boiled and applied to the hair as a shampoo. In some Asian countries, they eat the seeds after roasting, and the young shoots are used to make pickles or cooked as a vegetable. When I bought the seeds, the description suggests they are 5 or 6 weeks to germinate. As you can see, my secret method is the best, and I am looking forward to giving you an update on their growing progress. I have some seed left, and if you would like some, please message me. Thanks for watching and good luck with your planting. See you later.